Most people who try affiliate marketing never make a single sale. Not because it doesn't work, but because they're doing one simple thing wrong. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you what Warrior Plus is, how to pick a product that actually has a chance of making money, and the simple system beginners use to get their first sale. Most people overcomplicate affiliate marketing. They think they need a website, ads, or thousands of followers. But platforms like Warrior Plus make it a lot simpler than that. So at its core, Warrior Plus is a marketplace. It connects two types of people: product creators and affiliates, people like yourself. Now, there are a lot of affiliate platforms out there, but Warrior Plus is especially good if you're just starting out. Here's why. It has a low barrier to entry, high commissions, built-in funnels, and no product creation is needed. And here's the key part. You don't need to create anything yourself. You simply pick a product, get your link, share it, and earn commissions. So here I am at the Warrior Plus website, and you'll find that at WarriorPlus.com. And now for a quick reality check. Not every product on Warrior Plus is amazing. Some are great, some are not so great. So your job as an affiliate is simple. Promote things you would actually feel comfortable recommending. And that's how you build trust and long-term income. So you want to create an account here at Warrior Plus and log into the site, and then you can start to browse the products that are available. You've got the top products here which are showing, top 10 products. There's also the marketplace section and the affiliate section. This is probably the best place to go. Click on affiliate, and then under offers you can then see what's selling well, how many sales they've made, conversion rate, visitor value, average sale, and any refund rate that there is. You can also search for products here if you know the name of the product, or you can search by the vendor name. Most beginners fail at affiliate marketing for one simple reason. They pick the wrong product. Not because they're lazy and not because they don't try, they just don't know what to look for. And if you get this part wrong, you can send traffic all day and still make zero sales. So when you open Warrior Plus, you'll see a lot of stats. And most beginners go straight to, oh, this has a high commission, I'm going to promote that. Well, that's a mistake. So instead you want to focus on this. Focus on the conversion rate, so how well it actually sells, the sales volume, is it already making sales, and the refund rate. Now this is very important, but it's often ignored. So if a product is already selling consistently, well, that's a good sign that the market wants it. So before you promote anything, open the sales page and ask yourself one question. Would I actually buy this? So you want to look for a clear headline. What problem does it solve? Simple explanation, not confusing. Professional design, which is not spammy. And if it feels overhyped, confusing, or just off, well, in that case, don't promote it. Because if you don't trust it, your audience won't either. So as a beginner, you want to look for a low ticket, high converting entry offer. So think of it like this. You want to find an offer that is around $5 to $12 on the front end. It's beginner friendly, it solves one clear problem, and it has a strong funnel behind it. So one product which stands out here is called the secret email system. So we can see that it has 25,000 plus sales. It has an 8% conversion rate, and this is actually strong. It has a $1.90 visitor value, which is very important, and the average sale is $18.27. And the refund rate is 6%, which is acceptable but not amazing. So what this tells us is that this product already converts cold traffic. And that's the biggest green flag you can get. Most beginners ignore this and they chase hype instead. So let's take a look at the products which are in the funnel. So the front end offer is very low, $5.60, and you're going to earn the full amount. So that's the commission you're getting, 100% commission on that. Then as they go through the funnel, there's another product for $9.95, which you're going to get $4.98 commission, 50% on that. And then there's another product in the funnel for $84, and you earn $42, that's 50%. And then there's another product for $97, again you're going to earn 50%. And there's another product for $47, and again 50% will come to you. So it all looks good. There's a low barrier to entry, $5.60, and then there's a potential here for you to earn more money with this funnel if they buy some of the other products in there. So now let's take a look at the sales page. You can see here it has a headline which could be seen as a little bit hypey, but it's not too bad. I mean, Matt Basic, the author, he's one of the most well-known marketers out there. So he carries on here where he explains more about what this product is. And you can see it's only $5.60. So it's not a lot for somebody to pay. They're not losing a lot at all. And of course, when they go through the funnel, you could earn more money. So he goes on to explain it, and he mentions a lot of bonuses you get with it. I mean, I've got this product myself, and I do know it is actually a good one. I'm not telling you to actually go and get this and promote it, but I think it does meet a lot of the criteria in terms of a low barrier to entry and the chances to earn good commissions with the funnel. So it's quite a long sales page, but I think it's well written, and it will convert well if you just send some traffic to it. So another type of affiliate offer worth promoting are what we call recurring commission products. So these are products which essentially have a subscription. So somebody signs up through your link, they pay monthly, and then you get paid every month. So a simple example is, let's say you refer 10 people, and each person pays $5 a month. So you earn roughly around $2 to $3 for each person, and that's recurring income every month. And if they stay in the program, then it just compounds. Now on WarriorPlus, one of the well-known recurring commission products is called the Click Engine. This is basically like a traffic rotator. So people who need traffic, they're good people to target for this kind of product. So you can see here it's got over 20,000 sales. It was actually released in 2022. And the refund rate is very low, it's just 1%. So, that's pretty good really. And your average sale is $10.77. So these are the products in the funnel. So, you sell the main product, it's only $4.90. So it's not too bad, not too difficult to sell something at that price, and you're going to get 50% commission of $2.45 on that, which is not a lot, but think about how easy it'll be to sell something at this price, so you can get so many people coming in, and those commissions will start to stack up, and this is going to be recurring every month. And there's other products in the funnel here as well, and you get 50% on all these. So Click Engine's pretty good product to promote. So if you find a product that you want to promote, the thing to do here, where it says request, just click that button. That'll take you to another page, and then click on request approval. And now you'll have to write a bit about yourself, and say that you want to promote this product. If you've bought the product, then they'll probably give you instant approval. But if you haven't bought the product, then it becomes a lot harder. So especially if you're a beginner and you don't have any sales track record, it's difficult sometimes and you might get rejected. But if you have a blog or a YouTube channel and you include those links in here, then you could get approved. So you could just say something like, "Hi, I'm a marketer from whatever country you're from. I have a YouTube channel here. I have a blog here, and I'd like to promote your product. I think I can get you some sales. Please approve me," and see how that goes. And just click on this button here, request offer, and you'll get an email saying you either got approved or you didn't get approved. But it's worth trying anyway. The more sales you do make on Warrior Plus, the easier it becomes to get approval for future products. So right now there are a lot of ways to promote an affiliate offer, and this is where beginners get stuck because they try to do everything. So let's simplify it. There are only two ways to get traffic. You either pay for it or you get it for free. Paid traffic is faster. You can use things like solo ads or Facebook ads, but it costs money and there's risk if you don't know what you're doing. Free traffic is slower, but it's perfect for beginners. You can use social media, blog posts, or simple YouTube review videos. And here's the most important part. You don't need all of these. Just pick one and stay consistent. Most beginners fail because they jump between methods. Now here's where most beginners go wrong. They send traffic directly to an affiliate link and they hope for the best. Well, that's a mistake because once that person leaves, they're gone. You can't follow up, you can't build trust, and you can't make future offers. So instead, you collect the lead first. That just means you give something free, they enter their email, and now you can follow up. And this is where things change because most people don't buy the first time, but if you follow up, that's where the sales come from. The money is in the follow-up, not the first click. Don't overcomplicate this. So now you know how Warrior Plus works, how to choose a solid offer, and what actually needs to happen to make sales. If you keep it simple, focus on one method, this can work. If you found this helpful, feel free to subscribe. I'll be breaking this down step by step in future videos. I'll see you in the next one.